Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Basecamp detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Basecamp, start by visiting the official Basecamp website. In the top right corner of the home page, locate the Sign Up button. Click on Sign Up to create a new account. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After entering your details, click on the Create Account button. Once your account is created, check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Basecamp. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will direct you to your new Basecamp account dashboard. To download the Basecamp application, scroll to the bottom of the dashboard. Here, find the download section for desktop or mobile options. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system, either Mac, Windows, iOS, or Android. Click the download link to begin the installation process. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file on your computer. Double-click the installer file to start the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts in the installation wizard. When prompted, read and accept the license agreement. Select your desired installation location and proceed with the setup. Once the installation is complete, launch the Basecamp application. Log in using the email and password you registered earlier. Upon logging in, familiarize yourself with the interface and features available. You're now ready to start using Basecamp for your project management needs. Remember to explore the various tools offered to optimize your workflow. Enjoy your experience with Basecamp and make the most of your organizational skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.